Your waiting list to hire you as a consultant is what, like 2,500 people long right now? You have to multiply that by 2 or 3. Oh my god. That's Paddy Galloway, the guy every top YouTuber is dying to hire. He's worked with Mr. Beast, Eric, Ryan Trahan, and more because he knows YouTube's algorithm like you people do.
This question stuck with me. How does this normal guy from Ireland get to work with the most influential creators on the planet? It all started with Paddy breaking down success factors for going viral and how to break YouTube's algorithm. By gaining social proof and authority, big content creators started hiring him for consulting positions. Crazy story, right? Let's start from the beginning, from the core of his success. Well-made videos. In this video series called Algorithm Hackers, we analyze big creators and pinpoint the factors for their success. If you're interested in growing your own YouTube channel, stay for a masterclass on Paddy Galloway. How is it possible to not upload for a year and still continue to grow an audience on autopilot? What has Paddy discovered about YouTube's algorithm that we don't? After studying all 33 videos of Paddy Galloway, I can pinpoint the reason of his growth to these simple 3 factors. To better illustrate my thoughts, we will break down his most successful video ever, titled "Here's Why Mr. Beast is a Genius, How He Grew His YouTube Channel." This video currently sits at 6.2 million views. So let's get straight to number 1. Paddy starts off his video by hooking the viewer, in order to keep them watching. But how is this accomplished? To understand Paddy's insanely well-made openers, we need to have a look at a formula which I call the Triple T template. The fundamentals of a successful YouTube video are based around the interaction of title, thumbnail and topic. Only when these 3 work hand in hand together, be sure you've made a viral banger. Let's have a look at the title first. The title of his most successful video is "Here's Why Mr. Beast is a Genius, How He Grew His YouTube Channel." The first thing we notice is the length. With 65 characters, this video title definitely stands out from the masses. It is usually common to keep titles under 50 characters to avoid a cutoff on mobile devices. But Paddy makes it work anyway. First of all, he's targeting relevant keywords like how to grow a YouTube channel and Mr. Beast. But second, he also manages to wrap these keywords in the best way possible. A story. We can assume by having read the title only that the topic of this video is a well-crafted story. By clicking on this video, you are promised how Mr. Beast grew his YouTube channel in a genius way. The thumbnail is as well branded with a picture of Mr. Beast, confirming the first intuition. It definitely makes people stop scrolling, not only because of the obviously intriguing picture of Jimmy himself, but also subconsciously by the clean color palette, red, black and grey. The thumbnail naturally flows with the title in a fluid motion. See, here are the 2 options why this is the perfect thumbnail. Either you see Jimmy first, then follow his finger pointing at the title and then read the title. Or you see the title, read the title and continue to ask yourself, this man beat YouTube? It's a good exercise to verbalize a thumbnail. By describing the visual, you will notice unclear intentions and misleading information. But Paddy's design leaves no room for a lack of clarity. The description for his thumbnail would go like this. Have a look at this consumed man who managed to beat YouTube with great success. This leaves the viewer with the question, if this random guy can do it, I surely can as well. I have to watch this video. Combined with 3 overlooked words from the title, "Here's Why" and "How," Paddy has secured your click. What happens next? Paddy delivers on his promise by reassuring you are here for Mr. Beast and how he got successful on YouTube. He also continues to build on this random kid image who made it to the top. Have a look for yourself.
If I told you 3 years ago that this guy right here was a YouTube genius, you'd probably laugh in my face. Back then, Mr. Beast, aka Jimmy Donaldson, was filming videos of himself on his iPhone 5 in his bedroom. Today, the 21-year-old from North Carolina runs one of the fastest growing YouTube channels in history. So how did he do it? In this video, I'm going to show you why Mr. Beast is the smartest YouTuber on the platform.
When you decide to click on the video, Paddy instantly delivers on his promise by showing what you came for. You saw the creator, read his name in the title, then clicked. Even though this is not a video of the creator, rather a video about the creator, Paddy gets your click. This strategy is called social hacking and goes hand in hand with Paddy's overall channel strategy. By having a look on his YouTube channel, you won't find any video with his face on the thumbnail. Each and every video is about other successful creators. Social hacking can be a great way to widen your audience, especially for the viewers of said creators. Let's say you are a regular MrBeast viewer and always wanted to know how YouTube and MrBeast's system work behind the scenes. Then Paddy has made the perfect video for you. Be careful to not misuse social hacking as cheap clickbait. When you put someone else's face and name on your video, be sure the person is what the video at least partially is about. Paddy's success framework finally comes together when you combine the lessons learned to this point with his last strategy, making evergreen content. There are two types of videos you can produce. Time-sensitive videos like trends or the news, or you can choose to make content that people want to watch whenever they like. Evergreen content refers to videos that remain relevant and valuable to viewers over a long period of time, much like the evergreen trees that remain their green foliage throughout the seasons. One advantage of creating evergreen content is its enduring appeal, allowing Paddy to generate huge amounts of continuous traffic and engagement long after the initial upload. With him focusing on timeless topics like tutorials, educational content and breakdowns, Paddy is able to maintain a consistent viewership over time. Moreover, evergreen content tends to perform well in search engine results, as it addresses fundamental questions and provides lasting solutions. This helps Paddy in building a strong and lasting presence on YouTube, enhancing the potential for monetization through ad revenue, sponsorships and partnerships. By combining the Triple T template, social hacking and evergreen content, you can be sure that YouTube's algorithm will pick up your next video. In my case, the YouTube algorithm thinks you could be interested in this video right here. Let's see if they're right.